To those searches for voter registration rules in Virginia. A lot of you want to know more about registering on Election Day. And this on the same day the Supreme Court gave Virginia the green light to purge more than 1,000 voters suspected of not being U.S. citizens. Katie Lusso has some brand new insight on this story that we've been following for weeks. What'd you learn, Katie?
Well, as the governor celebrates this moment as a win, others are just confused. From the people on these lists to the Fairfax County Commonwealth's attorney, Steve Descano, who told me tonight he's not sure what he's expected to do with the list of more than 1,000 people in the county who've been purged from the voter rolls for allegedly not being citizens.
The idea that these individuals are getting pulled off the voter rolls and we have a governor and an attorney general who is trying to make them out to be criminals is absurd.
Right now, the Fairfax County Commonwealth's attorney, Steve Descano, says he's been given a list of more than 1,000 people in the county who've been declared non-citizens. But he says there's no evidence they committed any crime. This after the Supreme Court ruled Wednesday to allow the purge of at least 1,600 alleged non-citizen voters from Virginia's voter rolls. He says it's a tactic by the Republicans.
Particularly low propensity voters who tend to vote Democratic. They're trying to get these individuals to throw their hands up and not come out.
Last August, Governor Glenn Youngkin issued an executive order requiring daily checks comparing DMV data to the voter rolls to find and remove the names of non-citizens.
Provides further comfort across the Commonwealth that this election will be secure, it will be accurate.
This is a win for common sense. It's a win for the rule of law.
While the governor and attorney general applauded the decision,
they became citizens decades ago, and they've been voting without issue for decades.
Attorney Ryan Snow, who's representing some of the people on that list, says it's inaccurate.
There's two buckets of people who've been removed from the rolls. One are people who were not citizens when they obtained their driver's license, and then who since became a citizen. And then there's another bucket who made some error at the DMV, checking the wrong box.
Governor Youngkin says if that's the case and there was a mistake,
then the person is granted 14 days to respond and say, no, I am a citizen. If they fail to do that and they are removed from the voter rolls, you can still same day register and cast a ballot.
Okay, so we want to clarify, if you are on one of those lists and it is a mistake, you can still vote. You just have to bring your proof with you during early voting or on Election Day. Do same-day registration and cast a provisional ballot. There are also hotlines you can call for help. We've got all the information up for you on WUSA9.com.